All. My name is Joyce. I'm studying 8th class in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today my topic is mental health awareness. Mental health awareness is crucial for our overall well-being. What is this mean? Means this is a minor part in our mental health awareness is minor part in our life. It reduces stigma and misconceptions about our health. It means it will keep us more focused on what we are doing. Like if we are reading, it will keep us more focused, and it will reduce our stress. Understanding mental health promotes our empathy and support. It means if any other members are feeling stressed and feeling so much depressed, then we can help them. We need to support them. That's the point. uh, mental health affects people of all ages, not all, including students. Yeah, it means it not only affects the people who are at older age, it will affect the students also. So students will needs to stay calm and focused on the studying. Open discussions about mental health uh, keeps us more focused. It means if we are openly sharing our feelings and problems with other members, it will keep us more focused. That's and mental health is also important as physical health. Means not only the mental health always, not only the physical health always. Both are same. Like not one is greater, not one is lower. So that you need to stay more both focused. Like if you are doing physical activities, do okay. So mental health also we need to do. Means it's no care. Like we need to take care. We need to take some exercises for mental health. Means we need to do meditation and some other breathing exercises, etc., to keep our body more focused. Raising awareness help in identifying issues like stress, anxiety and depression. Means it will cause uh, mental health. Mental health is also important as physical health. Seeking help is shows our strength. Means if we are taking help by like any member, it will shows we are not lonely and we have friends and etc. uh, we need to stay focused. And mental health is also needs to be a part in our school, because for we there is physical activities. Like we are doing physical health good things in our school, because we have PT for every week 2 times, and for a year it will be like 100 times. So that there will be 100 PTs and we'll be staying more good and physically. But there is no uh, class for mental health. So that there needs to be a class for mental health also. We need to do meditation and breathing exercises and some other things in our school. And we need to talk with our friends more frequently. Early recognition of mental health leads to better outcomes. Means if we know the symptoms what we are getting before, only we'll be more focused. That's knowing about mental health more frequently means knowing the symptoms of the mental health more fastly. Like what are the symptoms of the mental health? The symptoms of the mental health is stress, anxiety and depression. It reduces stigma and misconceptions about our health. It will keep us more focused. Not only students, but also some other grown-up men and adults also having this situation. So they needs to get relief of the stress they have. Means so many elder grown men has jobs and doing etc things. They needs to be like doing something, means they always work on something, no? Like they're doing job, that job they're more focusing more, so they'll get stressed. And that's why they need to take care of their brain. So that we need to do they need to do some exercises. The exercises are uh, the exercises are walking every day 10 minutes enough. And if we have exams, we can study for one day 2 hours, but not one day. We need to prepare from before a month. Like if we have this month 19th, we have this month 19th a exam, we need to prepare from before month. That's why we need to stay calm and focused. It is a loneliness. We don't stay lonely. Don't stay lonely. Make some friends, talk to your family and other members more frequently. Means don't always do the same thing, like scrolling some videos and watching shorts and that's it, etc. So that to stay more on your, take care of your mental health also. And if you are doing these all things, your health will get good, and it will be more nice. And raising awareness promotes mechanism good mechanisms and good health, good life. We need to stay calm and focus. That's mental health awareness is the crisis of the life. So that if we don't know the mental health, if we know the care of mental health, we can't live. Because if you don't see a thing, if you don't know how to take care of your mentality, means if you are doing something a long time, like for from your birth, not from birth, when you are growing, like eighth class or this class, from this class, if you stay like this, only doing and not reading, not doing anything, you will get depressed and die. Means means that the depression causes our mind to collapse and call the thing. It will be more nice if we do always exercise, or not always, like one day sometime do, and spend more time with your friends. Thank you for giving this opportunity.